This is a take one of a video that I'm making. Part two of part one. I made a video a while back called The Money in HVAC. It got like 15,000 views. I'm crazy. I didn't think even people would even watch stuff like that, but I'll make a link in that video to kind of update the pay raise I got. So I just watched that actual video and I was saying, you know, if you did an install or things of that nature, you can make X amount of dollars per day. I said 1 to 28. But I got news, my guy. I got news for you, homie. Check this out. This is 4 years later. I've been doing HVAC now, I don't know, 10, 15 years, something like that. 15, 16 years. Prices change. Yearly prices change. The new Freon is out, so things is going up right about now. So if you are not making a certain amount of money in this HVAC field, or you are on the fence, in HVAC, I'm going to show you how to make at least 40 grand a month. $40,000 a month in the season. Now, if you're making less than 40 grand a month doing HVAC, I can show you something. If you're making more than 40 grand a month doing HVAC, show me something. You know, I'll sit down and listen to you. I'm going to show you how to make $40,000 a month doing HVAC in the season. Okay, so now it won't be all year round. It will be in the height of the season. We just came out of our busy season, and I work literally every day. I work every day this summer. About a month ago, I had one Sunday off, and for the past 2 weeks, I took off for a training. Some of you may know, if not know, going digital. Let's go digital up in this mofo. $40,000 a month. Easy peasy if you're working every single day, and I mean 7 days a week. 4 months in Georgia, we have hot weather. I'm not sure where you are, but if you're in South Florida, it may be different. It may be longer. If you're in other places of the world, maybe longer. But if you want to make some money in this field, you got to be around some folks where they need HVAC. In the wintertime, it's not so busy, but in the summertime, you know, we're killing the game out here, okay? So I broke it down in numbers for you so you can kind of follow me with the numbers. If you can make $1,300 per day, 1300, $1,300 per day for 30 days, that will give you $40,000 for the month, $1,300 profit. Now, if you're working at a 9-to-5 job, I don't know what you're getting paid, but if you're working at a 9-to-5 job, how much are you getting paid right now? Is it even possible to get $40,000 a month on your job? Is that even possible? You know what you make, you know what your paycheck is. And when I worked the job, my next 10 paychecks was spent. And I just use that word, spent. My next 10 paychecks was spent even before I got it. I knew to the T how much my paycheck should be, because I'm writing down, okay, if I work 40 hours, X times 40 hours, my pay is this. I knew exactly to the penny how much my paycheck was going to be after FICO and Uncle Sam and whoever else put their hand on my check. So when I got the balance of it, I got what was left over. And I had to wait 2 weeks to get that. I know how it is to need some money sometime and go inside Publix and, can I try that chicken wing? Can I try that chicken wing? Can I try that chicken wing? You done ate 3 chicken wings, so now you don't have to buy no food because you got some food in your stomach. I've been that broke before to where I had to go inside the grocery store and taste their chicken wings to get me something to eat. I remember one point I had 2 cars and no place to stay. Homeless, literally homeless. I've been through all of the downsides of trying to start your own business. I've been through the point where $5 would have changed my day. $5 would have changed my day. I remember this one time I was working a job at Home Depot, and I was going to HVAC school. And this older gentleman had came in the Home Depot, and I was in the garden department. I loved working at Home Depot, and I was in the garden department, and I loved doing that job. So as I worked there, this guy came in, and he was like, hey, man, can you help me find something? So I took him to the product, helped him load his product up, and he was he was sad because his wife had just passed. He was an older gentleman, maybe in his 70s, and his wife had just passed, and I was just listening to him and just being cordial, just being my normal self, customer service superstar. And I listened to him, and he went and purchased his stuff, and it was heavy, so I took it to the van. And the kind of van that he had was the kind of van that most men like. It's one of those Chevy custom vans, conversion vans, really nice van. And I loaded up the I think he bought some mulch or some rocks or something like that. So I loaded it up for him, and Buddy gave me a $10 tip. Yo, that $10 tip, man, I say that $10 was like giving me a $100 bill, a $1,000 bill back then, because I needed that. And that was all I had. So I've been in that place. Now, things is a little bit different. I go to Thailand and stay for 2-3 months in the wintertime, in the fall season or the winter season, because I don't like to be cold. So HVAC can do that for you. If it did it for me, I didn't go to college. Well, I did go to college. I went for like 4 days, and it just wasn't for me. But I went to a lot of, trainings and things of that nature. But $1,300 a day is possible with HVAC. That's the point I'm getting to. It's impossible on a 9-to-5. I worked a couple 9-to-5 9-to-5s in my life. And $1,300 a day is, I don't think my paycheck in a week was ever that type of cash when I worked a 9-to-5. And, but doing this work, doing this HVAC work, if I do 6 jobs today, I get paid 6 times. If I do 0 jobs today, guess what? I don't get paid. But what I'm saying is, we literally work. I work every day this summer. And sometimes you do 3 jobs, sometimes you do 8. My highest day, we did 14 jobs. And throw an install in here and there. So $1,300 a day could be 3 service calls, 2 capacitors and a fan motor. These $1,300 right there. And if you don't know how to get that type of business, there's ways that you can rank on Google and do your business, so when people see you, that they can call you up on the phone, get in contact with you. So you have to be seen. And I came up with a system that I'll talk about later that will help you be seen in this world of HVAC to get customers and get paying customers, and the ones who are eager to get you on the phone and to the house, the ones who are eager. I can show you all that, and it's easy. Websites, uniforms, professional vehicles. There's certain things that we got to have in place. Checking accounts, certain things that we got to have in place to get paid. So 3 service calls a day, 30 days in that month, you'll literally make $40,000 for that month. So some of you guys don't make $40,000 a year. I was one of those guys who didn't make $40,000 a year working 9-to-5, or right around that. And that's the highest I ever made. But most people only make $40,000 in a year. And I'm talking about making $40,000 in a month. And that's not even a lot of money compared to some of these other HVAC guys who I see and deal with. But on the flip side, that's a lot. So that's it. That's it. If you want to get into this HVAC world, go for it. Things is changing, but go for it. I'm getting to the point where I want to get out the game, and I want to share some of this stuff with some of you guys, so you can make some of this money. All this money out here in this world, man, get some, okay? So next time, folks, this is Cool G, and I'm out of here, and y'all hit that like and subscribe button and be prepared for what I got coming out next. I got a HVAC Mastery coachingonline.com. Check out that website and get some information. Get on my mailing list, because I'm putting stuff together to help you guys. And I'll do my absolute very best to help you guys with what I can, okay? So till next time, folks, peace, my dude. Be cool. Be safe out there. Go get some of that HVAC money.
Cool G's on your Google YouTube. If you're looking for a trade, hit the move. Sit down, take note, listen up. Cool G's about to pour in your cup. Be your own boss. and set the stage. Just use HVAC as a trade. Set your own rules and come up. All you need to do is sit down and listen up. Yeah, cool G's, heating and air, service and repair. Haha, install. Come learn that trade. Get yourself paid. Pay all your bills. All you need is the tools and a truck.